Welcome back to part 3 of Songmaker, and you guys will notice that I've added a bunch of stuff down here. I've added a percussion track, a beat track. It makes the song sound a little bit more rhythmic because it has a beat behind it. Now let's talk about this a little bit. I'm going to stop it here because this is a pattern that I think you guys will find very useful in writing your own songs. This is called a basic rock beat, and if you'll see the pattern repeating itself, it might look to you like 3 circles, triangle, 3 circles, triangle. But if you look really closely, and this is important, at the beginning it starts with 2 circles and a triangle. That's because our beat is in a 4. It's the most common. 4 is the most common beat. And we have the pattern actually going 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4. So circles on 1, 2, triangle on 3, circle on 4. Writing your own song, I recommend you start with this. It's going to make your song sound like a rock song, no matter what. It's the most common, and I'm sure you've heard it in many songs you like on the radio. If you come over here to this little radio-looking device that says electronic, we can change the sound of our percussion beat. Blocks. This makes it sound like we're having fun in the classroom. Drum kit. Basic drum kit. Like an actual rock band. Congas. Congas are a fun instrument played with our hands. We're going to cover that in other classes. Some of you might even remember congas from your own music teacher. And back to electronic. That's it for percussion beats. Tune in for part 4, and we're going to talk about other ways to add notes to our song. See you guys soon. Hope you have fun experimenting.